Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use the library app. With this tutorial, you're gonna have a better way of navigating through your apps or your phone. So, the library app is basically when you scroll to the left, you're gonna see all of these apps. It's called the app library, and basically it organizes your apps into suggestions recently added. That means the newest ones that you downloaded, socials, social media, utilities, the built-in ones, or web browsers, and much more, including games. So, how do you actually open them? Basically, all you have to do is just tap on it. So I'm gonna tap on Safari, and there you go. I'm gonna tap on Roblox, and there you go. And with these four apps that are bundled right here, you can tap on that, and then it'll be like a folder. If you tap on that, it's gonna open this up, and now you can choose from all the games that you can play. It's a very cool feature, and I think it organizes a lot of necessary things. So it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments or suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.